Right here we have the ASUS RT-AX56, also known as the AX1800 dual band Wi-Fi 6 router. This thing has the Wi-Fi AiMESH system, which I really love because I have other ASUS router that I will connect with this one so that I have AiMESH, which means I have multiple routers around the house that allows me to connect them all together to form one very big network. It's pretty cool. This one you might notice it is a used product from Amazon, so it's my first time unboxing, so we'll see. Also, I love that it's gigabit LAN. It has 4 ports of gigabit LAN. There's your WAN port, and you have USB as well. So I'm not gonna lie, the box looks a little bit rough. Anyway, let's open it up and take a look. There it is, guys. There's the router. It looks brand new, in fact. It looks great. So here's one antenna, and here's the other antenna. So you got 2 antennas on this baby. Looks good. We got the AC adapter right here. So this is the Ethernet cable right here that goes from your cable modem to your router. And that's pretty much it. The router back here has 4 gigabit LAN and the WAN port right there. And it's where you plug in the power to power it up, okay? And this cable that comes included, so connect this to the router, and then the other end connects to your modem. And then these are for your local area network port. If you have a computer or a laptop, you want to use wired connection, you could, or you can just use a dual wireless connectivity, which you would probably use for all your laptops and smartphone because it's more convenient. You also have USB ports right here. It looks like you have a USB 3.0 and a USB 2.0. You got the reset button, and there it is. So let's go ahead and power this up and see how it looks like when it's all powered up. So once you power up, you have this light right here, and it pretty much is in its boot up sequence. And you have the 2.4 gigahertz light right here. This one shows you have 2.4 gigahertz band. This one shows you have 5 gigahertz band. This is for your network coming in, so you have access to internet. And these are your status indicator for your LAN ports. So right now it says red here because obviously I don't have the internet. It's not connected to my modem. So anyway, that's the router. I'll have this set up, and there we go. So very simple, very compact router. I like it. It's got 2 beefy antennas, and what more can you ask for? You got gigabit LAN, dual band Wi-Fi, AiMESH from ASUS. Good stuff right there. There we go. The ASUS RT-AX56 router right there. Oh yeah.